In this video, I will explain you how to find your PayPal account number. So as you can see here from the official PayPal website, it says that your PayPal account is not identified by an account number or ID. Your account is identified by the email address or mobile number that you log in with. So you're gonna have to simply give them your email address that it's linked to your PayPal account if you want to receive money from someone else. And as you can see, this is for personal, and this is the same thing for business accounts. So if you either use a personal or business account, it doesn't matter because it's the same thing. So simply give them your email address or phone number that it's linked to your PayPal account. So this is very important, and then you can receive money. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.